Good morning, girls. Welcome back. Today I have a different plan for you. I'm not going to start with the lesson, but rather, let's have some fun. It was becoming boring, isn't it? So let's have some fun today first. And of course, I'm going to teach you. Today, I will tell you the trick for learning the table of 9. Most of you must have had already learned that, but still you will enjoy it. Now, how many fingers do I have? 10. Now look. Now how many fingers do I have? 9. Look here. 9. Ones are 9. Now look. 9. I have just put my second finger, just bend it this way. Now check. 9 twos are 1. And then how many fingers are here? 8. So 1 and 8 is 18. Now, 9 threes are third finger I have bent. 9 threes are, look here, this is 2 here, 2 and then 7, 5 and then 6 and then 7. 9 threes are 27. Now, 9 fours are 3, 6, 36. 9 fives are 4, 5, 45. 9 6 are 5, 4, 54. 9 sevens are 6, 3, 63. 9 eights are 7, 2, 72. 9 nines are 8, 1, 81. 9 tens are 9 and nothing here. It means 0. 9 tens are 90. Did you enjoy it? Was it a nice one? So you can practice that at home. Now we are going to start with the lesson. Today we will be studying about the relationship between the Indian system and the international system. I have drawn the table for you, dear children. Do you notice here? Once in the Indian system and once also in the international system. The same way you will notice tens in the Indian system, tens in the international system. Hundreds in the Indian system, hundreds in the international system. 1,000 here and 1,000 here. 10,000 here and 10,000 here. So what do we notice? We notice that till here everything is the same. There is no difference between the Indian system and the international system. The difference starts coming from here. Now look here. 1 lakh, it is equal to 100,000 of the international system. 10 lakh is same as 1 million. 1 crore is same as 10 million. 10 crore is same as 100 million. Did you understand? Is it clear to you? It's not that we have to mug up this. There is a trick to show it mathematically how we are getting 1 lakh, it is equal to 100,000. Let's begin with that. Now we are going to learn how to calculate 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. We should have the proof that is it correct? What Miss is saying is correct or it's not correct. We should know how to prove that. Now, what is the number here? 1 lakh. So, see what I am going to do. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and then lakh. Alright. And then divided by, what is it in over here? It is 1,000. Ones, tens, 100 and then 1,000. Are you getting it, children, what I have done? Now it's very simple. I have to cancel the same number of zeros. Look here. This is gone. This is gone. This is gone. So what am I left with here? I am left with only 100. And that is why I am supposed to write here 100. So 1 lakh, it is equal to how much? 100,000. See here. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Is it correct? Isn't it? Now, look at the second example. 1 crore, it is equal to dash million. Now, let's begin again. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. Alright. Now, what is the other number here? Million. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and then we have a million. Look here. I will cancel the same number of zeros. Gone, 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 and gone. So what am I left with? 10, because you know any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So 10 divided by 1 is what? 10. And that is why we write here 10. So 1 crore, it is equal to 10 million. Check the chart. 1 crore, it is equal to 10 million. Did you understand, children? Is it clear to you? The same way you can calculate for the rest of it. Alright, so we'll go ahead with the next section. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about the place value and the face value. Now, you notice I'm sitting on a sofa here, right? But do you see my face? Recognize it carefully, okay? Because I'm going to ask a question now. Now, I got up from here and then I moved and I sat here. Did my face change because I have changed my place? Did my face change? No, it did not change. So what do you mean by face value? It means even if you keep changing the place, the face is not going to change. Let's study this from the digits point of view. Alright, children. Now let's study about the face value and the place value with respect to the numbers. Look here. For example, let me place few digits. Let me keep few digits here. I hope you are understanding, you know. If there is any confusion, you are free to clarify your doubts. There is no problem at all. You can give me a personal message on WhatsApp. You can even call me to clarify your doubts. Now look at the numbers here. Okay. Do you see the numbers here now? Do you see the number here now? Not number, sorry. Do you see the number here now? Okay. Now tell me. Which digit is this? This is digit 4. If I take this digit 4 and I bring it here, do you think the face of this digit is different now? Has it become 7 or 8 or 9? Did something like that happen? No. Now let's check this. Which digit is this? This is digit 6. Where is it sitting? It is sitting at the crores place. Now let's exchange the place with 5. This will come here and this will go there. Now 6 is sitting at which place? 10 lakh. But do you think the face of the digit is different now? Is it that it became 9, 0, 4, anything else? No, it is the digit itself. So when we talk about the face value, remember, it is the digit itself. Only thing is that its place changes. Now let's learn about face value and place value with the help of an example. I have written the number. I have put the commas. If you see, can you tell me which system of numeration have I followed? Check. 1, 2, 3, I have put a comma. 1, 2, I have put a comma. So after 2 digits, I have put a comma. So which system of numeration this is? This is Indian system of numeration. Alright, let's start with the face value first. What is the face value of the digit 2 sitting at 1's place? It is 2 itself. But when you talk about the place value, it is, what is the place value of 2? Where is 2 sitting? It is sitting at 1's place. So the place value of 2 here is 2 1's. Children, I can write the place value in 2 ways. I can write like this, or even you can write 2 1's means what? 2 1's are 2. Alright, now check this digit over here. 6. What is the face value of 6? It is 6 itself. But where is it sitting? It is sitting at 10's place. So this is 6 tens. And 6 tens means what? 6 multiplied by 10. Wait, let me write here so that you remember. It is 6 multiplied by 10. So what is the answer? 60. Which is the next digit? 3. What will be the face value? It is going to be 3. But what is the place value? It is 3 hundredths. 3 hundredths. And 3 hundredths means what? 3 multiplied by 100. So what is the answer? 300. See, I have written both the method, children. You can follow any one. But if you ask me, I find this to be easier. You know how? I'll tell you in the next example that I take. Which is the digit here? 4. What is the face value? 4. What is the place value? It is 4 thousands. Thousands. Now I'll tell you how to do this even without doing this. Now, which is the digit here? 4. Now just cover this. Just cover this. How many digits are left? 1, 2 and 3. So I will put 1, 2 and 3. 3 zeros. Now look at the digit 9. You know, my arrow has gone a little bit this way. It is for this one and this is for this one. Do not get confused. Now the next digit is digit 9. What is the face value? 9. What is the place value? It is 9, 10 thousands. And what is the easy way of writing what I have taught you? I will write 9. Just see this 9 and cover it. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it very easy? Look at this digit 1. What is the face value? It is 1. And what is the place value? It is, what is the place value of the digit 1? It is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Now, what was the trick of writing the place value? 1. Cover this digit. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put 5 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, this is very safe, children. The same thing can be used even for the international system. In this example, you will see I have put the commas after every 3 digit. So, which system of numeration is this? Yes, you are right. This is international system of numeration. Now, look here. Which is the first digit over here? 9. So, what is the face value? 9. But where is it sitting? It is sitting at ones place. So, it is 9 ones. I can write like this or even I can write like this. Which is the next digit? 1. So, what is the face value? It is the digit itself. But what is the place value? It is 1 tenths. And 1 tenths means what? It is 10. Now, let's check the next digit. It is, take the next digit. It is digit 3. So, what is the face value? 3. And what is the place value? 3 hundredths. 3 hundredths. You know, I can even write this way. 3 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. The same way, look at the digit 6. Where is it sitting? Thousands place. But what is the face value? The digit itself. And what is the place value? It is 6. Children, now I will write the short form. 6,000. Now, very easy, as I have told. Cover 6. How many zeros? I should put 3 zeros. So, it is 6,000. Let's check the next digit. It is 4. So, what is the face value? 4. But what will be the place value? It is 4 10,000. How should I write the other way? 4 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, this is very important. What is coming up next? 0. So, what is the face value? 0 itself. But what is the place value? Children, remember, I will not write it as 0, 100,000. That doesn't make sense at all. 0, it's wherever it sits, the place value is always going to be 0 itself. Why? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Check. 0 multiplied by 10. What is the answer? 0. 0 multiplied by 1000. What is the answer? 0. So we are not going to write as 0, 100,000. It's going to be 0 itself. Now look at this 3. So what is the face value? 3 itself. But what will be the place value? It is 3 million. 3, cover this. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. Let's take up the next digit. It is digit 2. So what is the face value? 2. But what is the place value? It is 2, 10 million. Alright. Cover this 2 and check the number of zeros I should put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a game of zeros, it looks like. Now, which is the next digit? 1. So, what is the face value? It is 1. But what will be the place value? 100 million. Now, I have written the short form, children, but you are supposed to write the full form when you are writing this method. If you are writing this way, there is no problem at all. So 1 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you understand? Is it clear to you? Alright children, I think the lesson was clear to you today. Today we have learnt about the trick of the table of 9. I hope you will enjoy that. Then we learnt about the relationship between the Indian place value and the international place value system. Then we learnt about the differences between the face value and the place value. Please see to the videos at least 2 times. You know, dear children, I repeat this sentence every time. But it's so painful to see that you are not watching the videos. I'll not say that everybody is not watching the videos, but I will say that everyone, we are just one team, and all of us, we have to put in our effort, isn't it? The teachers, they are making or they are taking a lot of effort so that the lesson becomes clear to you. But if you will not see the videos, how will you understand? When the school will reopen, do you think we are going to repeat the whole thing again? We have finished with the lesson. Like for example, I have finished with Roman numerals. So we are not going to take up Roman numerals. Yes, we can clarify your doubts, but the whole lesson will not be done again. So it is a humble request that please see the videos, try to understand the things. If there is any confusion, even slightest confusion that you have, you are most welcome to send me the WhatsApp message, or you can even give me a personal call. No problem at all. But you have to study. The time has to be utilized. So, and if you are regular in your work, if you are doing every day's work, then you will be able to understand the things in a better way. So, I hope you are trying to get my point. I'll be giving the worksheets. See the videos and then you do the worksheets very neatly in the maths copy. And don't forget, for your copies you get marks. And for maths, I had told you make a separate copy. So make sure you are ready with your copy so that you don't have to waste your time again when the school reopens. So enjoy your day and do your work.